Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Dragon Ball Legends error code CR701002. The error reads, a communication error has occurred. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to open the game, often after an update. According to our research, the error is likely related to a ban on the account. Some users shared that they received this error despite never playing PvP, co-op, or using mods, which suggests it may sometimes be a false positive. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to understand that this error is caused by a ban. Since the issue is account related, there is nothing you can fix from your end. But you can contact Dragon Ball Legends support and ask them to review your account. If they say your account is banned, then explain to them that you didn't do anything which should result in the account ban and request them to unban your account. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.